Kayla, you are my best friend. You are the one I can tell anything to. The one who can make me laugh no matter my mood. But you are the woman I have been dreaming of for forever. You are my first and last thought of every day. I fell in love with the way you treat everyone like they truly matter. The way you make everyone's day better whether you know them or not. I promise to love and take care of you for forever. On October 17th, 2020, I fell in love with you, and to this day, I keep falling in love with you, because you are you. I love you, Kayla Billingsley, from the ground up to forever.
It's a funny thing.
I remember the first time I fell in love
Whenever
with you.
I give it comes back
We went
to
swimming. You were dancing and being your
And
goofy
it's
self. That's when the butterflies hit.
wonderful to be.
We eventually
Give it with
made
my
our way
whole
to the
heart,
basketball
'cause
court.
my heart was
My old
singing.
friend and I were sitting on a couch talking
Your
while you boys were playing.
Oh, ain't it nice tonight we've got each other.
I saw you out of the corner of my eye and the world stopped. It felt like it was just you and me. No one else, nothing else.
I'm your friend. When you love someone, your heart beat so loud.
That was the best moment of my life because I knew that from then on, I was yours. And that someday, somehow,
It can't feel the ground.
you were going to be mine.
Shining stars all seem to congregate around your face. When you love someone, it comes back to you. In love is a funny thing. It's making my blood flow with energy, and it's like an awakened dream, 'cause what I've been wishing for is happening, and it's right on time. Oh, ain't it nice this life we've got each other, and I am right beside you, more than just a partner or a lover. I'm your friend. When you love someone, your heart beat so loud. When you love someone, your feet can't feel the ground. Shining stars all seem to congregate around your face. When you love someone, when you love someone, we're gonna give ourselves to love tonight, lifting up to touch the starlight, and we will savor every second we suspend together. You and I will, you and I will, you and I will. When you love someone, your heart beat so loud. When you love someone, your feet can't feel the ground.
Do another kiss. Ready?